In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add slicing reveal transitions between your clips in CapCut, perfect for giving your videos that smooth, professional touch. Start by opening your project and arranging your video clips on the timeline in the order you want them to play. Make sure the clips are trimmed and lined up with no gaps where you want the transitions to appear. Next, go to the Transitions menu. In the search bar, type Slice Reveal. If this is your first time using it, CapCut may prompt you to download the effect. Go ahead and do that. Once it's ready, add the transition by either clicking the plus icon or dragging it directly between your two clips. If you get a pop-up about duplicate frames or timing, just click OK to confirm. Now press play to preview your new slice reveal. Want it snappier or more dramatic? You can adjust the speed by dragging the edges of the transition marker. If you have multiple clips and want the same transition applied throughout your project, save time by using the Apply to All option. This instantly adds the slice reveal between every clip in your sequence. If you enjoyed this tip, hit like and subscribe for more quick video editing tricks.